and gently release out of your camel pose. Make your way onto your belly, come into Sphinx pose, setting yourself up for our final pose, which mainly targets the quads. So your forearms are parallel with one another, shoulders stacked over your elbows. Press your forearms into the mat, lift through your chest. Now bend through your left knee. Bring that left heel towards your left glute. Reach back with your left arm, grab a hold of your left foot, and squeeze that left foot to your left glute. Feel that nice stretch within your left quad. Again, being mindful of those knees here. If you feel any type of pain, just simply release out. Holding here briefly before switching to the other side. Release the left leg down. Bend through your right knee, right heel to right glute. Reach back with your right arm, grab a hold of that right foot, squeeze it to your right glute. Releasing out of this stretch when you're ready. Come into a seated position. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this helpful. As always, reach out with any questions and please subscribe to support me.